Alright, we got lucky. Welcome back to the channel. I'm Chris with Holly Ridge Homestead. I've got my daughter Hannah here with me. Today we're back over in East Texas at the Texas Homestead, where I had been doing some work you had seen on a previous video. Me help him clearing up the land on a mini hoe and a skid steer. Well, anyways, he has sold this place. It's a little over 100 acres. And I am coming over here to get his mini hoe. I'm off on 2 weeks. So I plan on using his mini hoe at our place, clearing land. The road is real muddy. The mini hoe is way back in the woods. He said it's dead, so I got a battery. Anyway, we're gonna try to get back there and get it out of the woods. And I got my sidekick here. Hopefully she can help me. So y'all stay with me. All right, we made it back here. I've got to find where the battery is on this thing, and see if I can get it started. But they've been down here doing some work on the new pond that they had done. I'm gonna try to see if it'll start without jumping it off, but most likely it's not going to. All right, let's see if it'll start. What? All right, we got lucky. So we got the trailer and everything moved out here. She's been driving equipment since she was, well, she couldn't even touch the pedals. She can drive skid steer, big track hose, mini hose, stuff like that. But anyways, you can tell this road right through here was really bad, slicky. My truck wasn't gonna make it. So luckily all this equipment was available, but it's pretty much nasty. So we're gonna, yeah, it's pretty wet, huh? We're gonna get the gooseneck hooked up, load the mini up, and head back to Louisiana.
I thought I was the filmer. Until it comes to your dirty work. Oh my gosh, it ain't even moving.
See at the house.
Okay.
Yeah, just take it up there about to the main trail and just stop when you get on to the main trail. Just stop it right there.
In the middle of the main trail?
Yep. Alright guys, well Hannah, she brought the mini hoe back here for me, and I drove the truck around the the road around to the house and parked the truck and trailer. But I'm out here where we're going to be building a new house, so I'm going to go ahead and start getting to work, not cutting. I'm going to go ahead and start getting to work, tearing down a lot of these underbrush and maybe some of these other trees. My goal is basically to get a lot of this underbrush done as soon as possible, because it's almost time for us to start taking out some of these big trees along the road and where the house will be. But I'm still trying to open up the underbrush. Anyways guys, there's really no sense in you guys. I've shown video of this, running this mini hoe out here. I'll show a little bit more. How's she acting?
Oh, I just got on.
Oh, okay.
She sliced her foot open.
Where at?
Where I would put her bell boot, you know, under that area. It's like just like a little curve. It's kind of deep. It's not horrible.
Just now?
No, not now. When I was, I mean, Mom said it doesn't look super fresh.
Yeah.
It happened maybe a couple days ago or something.
Take it back out when you need to.